When you are managing a construction team and your crew is out in the field at different job sites or working rotating shifts, keeping everyone on the same page gets difficult. The whole employee management system gets messy and confusing, and it wastes everyone's time, from the foreman to the back office. That's what makes Connecteam so valuable for the trades. Connecteam is a mobile-first employee management app built specifically for teams that don't sit behind desks. Everything from tracking hours on the job site and scheduling sub-crews to communication, HR, and even safety training lives inside one simple platform. So today, we're going to dive deep into Connecteam to see exactly how it simplifies job site management and drives efficiency. Now, Connecteam is designed to be intuitive, which is key for a mobile-first platform serving a construction workforce that's constantly on the move and out in the job site. The left navigation panel gives you access to high-level administrative functions like overview, activity, users, and smart groups for your various trades. But the real core of Connecteam is structured around three main centralized feature categories, which they call hubs: communication, operations, and HR and skills. This hub-based organization makes it very easy to find exactly what you need, no matter if you are trying to schedule a concrete pour or send out a company-wide announcement about a site update. It's intuitive and simple to navigate, so there's no need to be tech-savvy. Anyone on the site can use it with ease. Now, for a construction team spread across various job sites, they need a faster way to communicate than phone calls and messy group texts. Connecteam thoughtfully made their communication features to make internal updates really smooth and centralized. Their native chat feature is where you can set up unlimited personal, group, or project-specific chats, and employees can instantly share site updates, blueprint photos, or supply files right from their mobile app. The Updates feature allows project managers to make important announcements and ensure they are actually seen. You can post project wins, urgent weather warnings, or safety policy changes to a central feed, similar to a social media feed, and send them out to your team through push notifications. You can even create, manage, and send out invites for any company event through their event feature, whether it's a safety talk, a holiday party, or a mandatory training session. Employees can reply directly in the app, and all event details like time, site location, and agenda are managed from this single place. And their help desk feature allows workers to easily submit equipment support requests or supply tickets directly to the relevant department. All these tools together transform fragmented, chaotic communication into a single, reliable hub, all within one app. Okay, so the real impact for deskless construction teams happens in the operations section, which is all about managing and monitoring crew activities on the ground. In Connecteam, the time clock is arguably one of the most important features here because it works simply. Employees clock in and out directly from their mobile device. But it's the supporting features that make it so powerful for contractors. You can utilize GPS tracking to verify a worker's location when they punch in or out, and even set up geofence sites, virtual perimeters around a specific job site to ensure workers are physically present before they can start or end their shift. You can export straight timesheets to top payroll providers like ADP, Paychex, and more. And to stay on top of labor laws, they have automated overtime calculations, break tracking, and real-time alerts for compliance issues. What's really cool is the powerful payroll system, which makes payroll easier and more accurate by tracking work hours correctly so everyone gets paid without mistakes and you avoid time theft or buddy punching. To create schedules quickly, you can use their job schedule feature to assign shifts based on trade roles, skills, or specific job sites, and it automatically cross-references employee availability or preferred work hours and time off requests. They also have an amazing task management feature called Quick Tasks that makes delegating site work easy. Managers can quickly assign tasks to individuals or groups, and employees receive the task on their mobile device, where they can update status and attach photos of the completed work. This gives managers real-time visibility into the status of all current work across all locations. With Connecteam's forms, employees can easily fill out daily logs, safety inspections, or equipment checklists right from their phones. No need for messy paperwork in the truck anymore. It also makes it easy to track what's been done, approve inspections, and give quick feedback when needed. But an employee management platform wouldn't be complete without a focus on the people themselves. Connecteam is very thoughtful about all the human resources operations, and the HR and skills section is specifically designed for this. For training and professional development, you can create courses within Connecteam where you can create or upload mobile-friendly training modules, assign them to specific workers, and even add quizzes to ensure comprehension of safety protocols. This is perfect for compliance training or getting new hires up to speed on site rules quickly. For maintaining a positive culture, you can use rewards and recognition to publicly celebrate milestones or accomplishments by giving shoutouts or custom badges like Safety Champion, which can be posted on the company feed. They even have a celebrations tool that automatically reminds everyone of birthdays and work anniversaries. Furthermore, the time-off management feature streamlines the entire PTO process, allowing employees to submit requests directly through the app while managers easily approve or deny them. The HR Hub also includes documents management under the knowledge-based feature, where you can securely store and share essential company documents, safety manuals, or employee handbooks, making them instantly accessible on-site. On top of that, their organization chart gives employees a clear visual understanding of the company structure and who reports to who, improving transparency and facilitating better internal communication. Once your users are organized and your projects are running, you need to keep an eye on the dashboard. It's structured around key performance indicators that matter most to a construction business. You get the Quick Actions panel, which lets you instantly access the most common management tasks like publishing a new site schedule or sending a weather update. You'll also find detailed reports on attendance that show real-time clock-in, clock-out status and help you immediately spot lateness or missed shifts across different sites. The engagement metrics show you how active your crew is on the platform, and the daily activity provides a snapshot of completed tasks, submitted safety forms, and finished courses. Overall, the dashboard is designed to give managers immediate, actionable insights without having to dig through multiple paper reports or call every foreman. Having explored the full range of Connecteam's features, it is evident that this platform is the perfect fit for any construction operation managing a mobile or deskless team. You can click the link in the description to begin your free trial, or simply scan the QR code on the screen to jump in right now. Don't wait to sign up, as the platform is completely free for teams of up to 10 employees. We would love to hear how it transforms your business, so please share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.